The winner of this year is Ulvia Guliyeva, the Most Resilient Journalist Award of 2025. I keep forgetting what I'm supposed to speak. So when I go off stage and I'm like, shit, I did not speak what I was supposed to speak. The journalists in Gaza, right, it's been almost the third year now and they are testing a deep fake video of.
Və özü gələnmədiyi üçün, təbii ki, həbsdə olduğu üçün məni yolladı ki, əvəzində qəbul edin bu mükafatı və məktubunu da daha əvvəlcədən mənə çatdırmışdı və məktubunda 9 aydır əsassızcasına hələ də saxlandığını qeyd edir. Hələ heç bir məhkəmə falan olmayıb, amma onu hələ də istintaqa qədər ki, təcridxanada saxlayırlar belə.
During the arrest, police officers struck me 7 times on the head and tore out my hair. Despite this, I continue my journalism even from within the prison walls. I interview other political prisoners, write articles, and shed light on rights violations occurring inside detention center. In a world where truth is manipulated, distorted, and traded for money, we continue to reclaim the truth, even from behind bars. I thank everyone standing in solidarity with me, my friends, my family, especially my partner who has given me unparalleled support during this period. Long live the free press, long live independent journalists, and long live all those who refuse to bow to oppression. Ulvia Guliyeva.
More faith in the people who love me, some of whom might be here. I just want this and changed an American accent. It didn't work, I think, the American accent.
In my work, people can come to me and complain about, news. There's a table here, luckily. We have a great panel that we're going to talk to.
People do it because the truth should be out there, and that is so important nowadays with the upcoming rise of authoritarian regimes. We need journalists to continue to tell the truth, what is really going on. So we look at those kind of criteria, and Ulvia stood out, and we're very proud of her that she continues to report even from in prison, and that is something I can only admire her for.
We ran a story talking about a massive exile of human rights defenders, of other reporters, blah, 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 blah.
We don't read stories about El Salvador here in the paper.
Yes, but we don't hear as much from Gaza as you hear from here.
Okay.
Ülviyə bizim üçün bir nümunədir ki, biz azadlıqda olanda eləyə bilmədiyimiz şeyləri o həbsdən eləməyə davam edir və bu mükafat sırf buna görə, yəni Ülviyə bu mükafata layiq idi.
Her work is recognized internationally on human rights violations, religious nationalism.